Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, oh my gosh, eto na, may nakita ko sa X na fan cam ng BINI nung pinerform nila yung Secret sa Toronto. So I'm super excited. Thank you so much na nag-upload dito sa X. So hindi ko na ito patatagalin. Let's start. Oh my God! I'm super excited! My favorite. The outfits, I cannot.
Talk to me and we can work this out. Don't seem to get you. Are you hiding something from me, baby?
Galet? Ooh, it's a cardio. Let's go.
I wanna show you that you can. Tell me all your secrets. Promise
Grabe yung pasok ni Jo. Sobrang powerful.
I'll show you that.
Oh my God. Hey, nakaryo.
Promise I won't keep it. Just trust me, you can trust me.
Bro, this Colette. Oh my gosh. Parang yung sa out of my head kanina. Woo! This Colette, I cannot! Yung mga looks ni Colette lately sa concert.
I won't keep it. Just trust me, you
With
can
this
trust
hair.
me. Speak, let me hear your voice. Tell me all your
Majolet?
secrets. Promise I
Okay.
won't keep them. I'm not playing, trust me, boy. If you're with me, make some noise. I see trouble in you. I see something in your world.
Oh, yung goosebumps ko si Gwen yung kumanta ng part na yun. Natitiri-eyed ako.
I see whatever you do, hide in your arms.
Hey!
Tight, never let the words slide.
Wow, look at
Is
that
it all
visual.
because of the past that you hate? It's the fact you
Sheena's voice. Guys, kung naka-follow kayo sa akin, grabe si Sheena sa akin lately talaga.
Is it all because of the past that you hate? It's the fact you cannot fight to me. I can think about it since you've been couple with excuses just to let you know.
Oh! Darap light.
Oh, I don't seem to get you. Are you hiding something from me, baby? Ooh, tell it all to me now. Tell it
The
all to me.
harmonies.
Ooh, I wanna show you that you can. Tell me all your secrets.
Are you kidding me? Maloy!
I wanna show you that you can. Tell me all your secrets.
Damn.
Promise I won't keep them.
Iko. Double kill.
Tell me all your secrets. Promise I won't keep
Eh, sobrang chill ng choreong cute. Ang ganda, kagaya ng out of my head.
Let me hear your voice. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I won't keep them. I'm not gonna trust you.
Guys, I cannot.
If you let me make some noise.
Eh, tapos sobrang cute ng LED. Yung low register ni Colette, narinig nyo ba yun? Oh my gosh, ba't nawala internet? Hey! Ngayon talaga yung internet, baka gawa ng quality. Sige. Woo! Are you kidding me? Why? Why? Bakit ngayon pa? Hala ka na, hindi niya kinayo yung live performance ng Secrets. Ang cute! Like, nakaharap silang lahat kay Moloy habang nag-harmonize. Oh my God. Gusto ko mapanood ng live to. Wow! Ang ganda kay John naman sila nakatingin ngayon. floor. Tapos habang nagbe-belt si Jo. Makulit! Hey! Oh my God! Like guys! Naiiyak ako. Okay, I will watch it again. I cannot. Oh my God! The live vocals. Like gosh, good. Narinig ko yung ano, yung low register ni Colette. Wow. Oh my God, Aya! The voice. Yes, girl. As leader.
Just trust me, you can trust me, boy. Speak, let me hear your voice. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I won't keep them. I'm not playing, trust me, boy. If you're with me, make some noise.
This part. Hey!
Whoa. Gonna hold me inside, gonna keep you tongue-tied, never let the words fly. Is it all because of the past that you hate the fire?
Grabe yung voice si Sheena!
Think about it, versus you become
Iisipin mo main vocalist si Sheena talaga. Hey! Ito ako! Malaya?
Just trust me, boy. Speak, let me hear your voice. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I won't keep them. I'm not playing, trust me, boy. If you're with me, make some noise.
Hey!
Tell me, boy. Tell me, boy.
Hey!
Tell me, boy.
This part!
Tell me,
This part!
is it something about me? Have I learned something lately? This anything you feel this way?
Harmonies! Eh, then yung paglingon nila dun sa choreo kay Jo. Oh my gosh. Hey!
Just know you can
Hey.
trust me in your heart. You can call me up. Tell me all your secrets. You know you can trust me. I'm not lying. You can count me out. Inside, I know you
Hey! This part! Oh my God.
tell me, boy. Tell me,
Hey! Aya! Oh my God! Aya! 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 Look at her. Oh my gosh, guys! I cannot. Hindi ako makapilis out of my head at saka sa Secrets na live performance. both na lang. Kasi sobrang ganda. Like, yung choreo, magkaiba yung choreo kasi parang mas chill tong Secrets. Kasi mas, ano siya mas sa vocals. Pero yung Out of My Head, parang ano din naman yung vocals doon. Pero yung choreo is mas, kumbaga mas hard kaysa dito sa Secrets. Kasi itong Secrets, chill lang, ganun. Pero yung vocals nanlalamon. Sa Out of My Head naman, both vocals and yung choreo. Pero oh my gosh guys, thank you so much BDPH kasi pinarform nila tong Out of My Head at saka Secrets. Well, inisip ko naman na talaga na at some point ng concert nila, ipe-perform nila to kasi nga nasa latest EP nila. So parang, 'di ba, imposibleng hindi nila i-perform to. Parang sa international, ito din yung mga gusto nilang marinig, 'di ba, yung Out of My Head tsaka Secrets. So I'm super happy talaga. Oh my gosh, the vocals, the visuals, the harmonies, the ad-libs, the low register. Oh my God. Guys, I'm super happy. Like, legit. Alam ko naman na hindi lang ako. Like, gets nyo, diba? Gets nyo? Oh my God. So, ayan guys. Sobrang happy lang talaga ako kasi we got Out of My Head and Secrets live performance. Oh my God. Ang gusto ko na lang ngayon is ma-witness to ng live. Like, please, let me experience this live. Kasi, oh my God. Kasi diba, iba pa din pag na-experience mo to ng live. Like, yung live vocals nila sa live mismo. Sobrang rinig na rinig mo. Like, for real. Yung feels, parang alam mo yun, yung sobrang sarap sa tenga marinig ng live. Yung live vocals nila, yung harmonies, yung ad-libs, yung low register ni Gwen, ni Colette, tsaka ni Mika. Tapos yung mga high notes ng mga posteline, tapos yung mga nag-harmonize, diba? Like, oh my gosh. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong!